Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful square, which is the base of my blanket. As you have seen at the beginning of the video, the blanket, the daisy blanket. So let's learn out first how to do this blanket. Then I will, at the end of the video, I will write the instruction how I designed the blanket. Let's start, shall we? I'm going to start by doing a magic circle, and I have used 2.5 millimeter, or depending on the yarn side. So I'm going to yarn over and then لا استغفر الله العظيم. I'm going to start by doing a magic circle, and I'm using 3.25 millimeter hook or 3.5, up to you. And then I'm going to yarn over and chain one, and then another chain. And in this circle I'm going to work a cluster of 3DC. So another, I'm going to yarn over and then pull through the first two loop again, the first two loop only, and then I have 3 loop, yarn 3, all 3 loop. This is my first, and then chain one again, 3 double crochet cluster. I yarn first, doing a double crochet but yarning through the first 2 loop only. Again, the first 2 loop only, and then I have 4 loop in my hook, yarn through all loop and chain one. Again, doing as I'm doing 3 double crochet but yarning through the first 2 loop only. And then I have 4 loop, all loop and chain one. I have a 3, continue doing until you have 8 cluster of 3 DC. Now that I have finished my last cluster, I'm going to insert, do a slip stitch at the top of the first cluster, chain one and cut. And this yarn from the beginning I'm to pull so that my circle is closed. And then inserting the new yarn at any of the chain one spaces, and I'm going to start by doing this time again a cluster, but this time 5 triple crochet. I'm going to start by doing 3 chain to begin my row, and then a triple, which is yarning it twice, insert the hook, pull over, and then the first 2 loop, the remaining 2, again twice, and yarn over again the first 2 loop and the second 2 loop. Now I have 4, again the last one, the first 2, and then yarn through all loop, and this is my cluster. And then I'm going to chain 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and yarning twice, doing 5 times a triple, again yarn over the first 2 loop and the remaining 2, again as I'm doing a 5 time triple but yarning through the first 2 loop, yarning twice, the first 2 loop and the remaining 2 will remain. I have 4, the last one. How do you know your work? You should have 6 loop on the hook, yarn through all 6 loop and then chain 4, and that's going to repeat it again 6 times, a total of 8. I have finished all my cluster. I'm going to do a slip stitch at the top of the first one, chain one and pull and cut. I already work around these yarns, so I'm going to cut also here, cut. Now the next yarn I'm going to insert at any of the chain spaces, and then creating a knot, and start by doing a chain 1 to begin my row, and then in each of the chain spaces I'm going to work what 6 single crochet. 1, I have 2 loop, this is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again skipping this at the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you're going to continue again 6 times and come again to transfer this daisy into a square. Now I have finished my last single crochet. I'm going to insert the hook at the first one, slip stitch, chain 1 and cut. And now bringing the next yarn, I'm going to insert at the beginning of any of the single crochet. So this is my beginning, and then I'm going to start by yarning 4 times. 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and which represent a triple. In the next one a triple crochet, and in the next 1 double crochet, and then I have 3, 1, 2 and 3, all will be what, half double crochet. Now what I created here, I'm going to do the opposite in the next. So I'm going to create 3 half double crochet, and then 1 double, and in the next 2 stitches 2 triple crochet. And then chain 2. Again, what I have done here, I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to do a triple, the next one a triple, and then a double, and then I have 3, so half double crochet 3 times. As you see, this is my square. So you're going to continue doing this and meet me again at the end. I have reached the end, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain. Now in the next row it's going to be easy. I'm going to chain 3, and in the all stitches I'm going to do a double crochet. A double crochet in all the stitches. Until you reach now for the corner I'm going to do 3 double crochet with 2 chain spaces, 1, 2 and 3, 2 chain, and 3 double crochet, and this is my flower. So continue and meet me again for the last row. Now I have reached my end. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the third chain from the hook, chain 1, and cut. Here the extra I'm going to cut, and this is my square. You can stop here. For the blanket that you have seen, I stopped here, or you can add more row with the same pattern, that you're going to add 1 double crochet along all the stitches, except in the corner it's going to be 2 double, 2 chain, 2 double, which I have done in this square. I'm going to continue for this one because I'm using this square for a jacket. That's why I have shown you, but I'll use this again, as I said, in the blanket idea. So I hope you like my daisy square. Thank you for watching, and press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Until the next time.